Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ashley Ellis. I have created a screencast for our PLC Tech Training next week. This is brought to you by the Dynamic Trio, myself, Miss Arter, and Miss LeGros. For our PLC Tech Training, we would like to have homework distributed to you guys prior to the PLC Tech Training, which will allow for the training to be effective and efficient for all teachers. Please complete all the homework assignments today in your PLC. Thank you for your cooperation, Miss Arter, Miss Ellis, and Miss LeGros. The first homework assignment for you guys to do today is going to be set up a Twitter account. The school will have a Twitter account, and it is expected for all teachers to have a Twitter account. We will talk about the reasons for setting up Twitter and the benefits to instruction during our PLC Tech Training next week. Your homework today for PLC is to sign up for a Twitter account. Please follow along the steps as I walk you through. If you already have an account for personal use, you may use that account, but I do strongly encourage for you to set up a professional account to keep the two separate. So for today, guys, go ahead and log on to your computers. Go to the internet and you need to type in twitter.com. Once you're on twitter.com, you are going to log in or sign up for your account. So again, twitter.com. Once you're logged in, it's going to look like this. Again, you will sign up for Twitter or you'll log in if you already have an account. If you're signing up today, go ahead and give your full name. I need to use my maiden name because I already have an account. Go ahead and do your school email address and then give yourself a password and select sign up for Twitter. They'll tell you if everything looks great. If your password is okay, you also need to choose a username. So this is where you can be as creative as you would like. Again, these are professional teacher Twitter accounts, so to kind of keep it professional. You may use one of the suggestions that they provide or create your own. Once you've selected a username, go ahead and click sign up. If you already have an account, just log in with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be sent to your Twitter page. You can see my Twitter page. There's your name along with your username that you've created. You can always insert a picture of yourself or an avatar. You'll see the tweets that you've made, following and followers, which you should have 0 at this point. That's all you need to do for now. We will talk about hashtags next week, and we will talk about the various uses of using Twitter within your classroom to help with engaging your students. And we'll also talk about how Twitter is a great professional development tool for teachers and be able to allow you to network with other professionals within your same interests. So go ahead and log out. Click on this little egg-looking character and log out. Alright, next up is going to be Safari Montage. So go back to your internet. Go ahead and select Safari. You're going to type in the address safari.fultonschools.org. Safari Montage is a total solution for K-12 digital media management and distribution. This is a program or software that Fulton County has purchased for all schools. They are currently going around training various schools. We went upon ourselves to go ahead and explore and go ahead and train you guys on the benefits of Safari Montage and the digital media that you can find to use in your classroom. Miss Arter will walk you through the program and highlight features next week. She will also provide a handout for those of you who like the guides for the step-by-step processes. So the first thing for your homework today is just to log in. So use your username like you do for your computer, and use the same password as you log on to your computer as well, and select log in. Once you're logged in, we need to log into Independence, so click on the I and select Independence High School. Once you're logged in, it's going to bring you to your dashboard. That's kind of like your home base for this site. With Safari Montage, you can research and look up various different digital medias that you can utilize in your classroom. You can look up digital media through the search, through subjects, through standards as well. What your homework for today is just to spend at least 5 minutes self-navigating through the program. So once you're logged in, just pause the video as a PLC department and just self-navigate for about 5 minutes and kind of do some self-exploration. You can search for digital media by clicking on the search tab, put in your search criteria. You can also search for digital media through subjects. Go ahead and select on your subject, kind of just browse through. You may also look for digital media through your standards as well. When you select on playlist, this is the playlist that you create that holds all the digital media that you want to store for yourself. So I have an economics playlist as well as I have an intro to marketing playlist. All the digital media that falls into one of those two categories, I store in my playlist so that I have it whenever I possibly need it. Now, Safari Montage will allow you to create lessons and add quizzes and distribute digital media to your students. Right now, our students are not set up for Safari Montage, so we are wanting the teachers just to explore how they can use it as a teacher within their classroom. So again, pause the video, spend 5 minutes self-navigating through the program. Once you are completed, that's it. We'll do the rest next week. Also, for the PLC Tech Training next week, please bring a lesson plan where you already incorporate digital media tools or a lesson plan that you think you could enhance with the use of digital media. This is going to be a working session PLC next week, and we will walk around and help facilitate the various departments. The goal is for you to be able to work on and improve your instructional planning and your strategy. So please bring a lesson plan that you can enhance the use of digital media or you can incorporate digital media into. So once you've navigated through, go ahead and just select log out and we'll dive into it more next week. Alright, last up is Digital Learning Day. This day will be soon to be determined. We had a date set, but it's not working with the calendar, so we will let you know by the tech training when Digital Learning Day will be for our school. It is required that all departments have 3 to 4 student projects displayed, as well as 1 teacher example of how digital technology is being used within the classroom. These are a minimum that we have set. You can gladly do more. So your homework today is to please start the conversation with your department about 3 to 4 student projects that the students are willing to display, as well as 1 teacher within your department demonstrating how they use digital technology within their classroom. Please bring these great ideas to the PLC Tech meeting next week. Again, this will be a working session. We will help facilitate and foster these exciting Digital Learning Day projects. Ms. Arter will explain in more detail and will provide examples of different projects that your students may want to showcase. Again, the PLC Tech Training will be next Tuesday, February 24th. The homework that you need to complete before the training is 1, to have your Twitter account set up, 2, that you have logged into Safari Montage and you have self-explored, 3, you need to bring a lesson plan for the working session for Safari Montage. Find a lesson plan that you would like to enhance or include digital media. And lastly, bring your ideas for Digital Learning Day for your department. Thanks again, and we appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.